up, you guys? So today we're going to be creating this very exciting, very realistic sort of like scar tutorial, and I certainly hope that you guys are going to enjoy it. So let's start off by priming our eyelids, and then we're just going to create a very basic makeup, because today we don't want all the focus to be on the eyes or anything. We just want it to be mainly on the scar. And the scar that we're going to be creating today is basically sort of like, you know, like those battlefield scars, or somebody who has been really slashed or diced on the face. It's gonna look very realistic, and I hope you guys are gonna enjoy it. Stick around as we continue. So after priming my eyelid, I just quickly went in with the Essence the Nude Edition eyeshadow palette, and I went in with that very soft brown, basically very close to my skin tone. You can't actually tell the difference. And then I just went in with the Essence Super Precise Black liquid liner, and basically I just winged out my eyes. You know, girls, I just love winging out my eyes. But anyway, so, and then I just went in with underneath the lash line, on my lower lash line, with like a very black gel eyeliner and a little bit of mascara, and that was it for the eyes. So now I'm grabbing the Cute Best Persistent lip liner. Basically, yes, it's a lip liner, and this one is like a very soft purple, and I'm basically just sketching out how I want the skirts to look. This one really helps, especially if you sketch out before you apply the product, because it's gonna help the whole look a bit more realistic, especially when there's a little bit of color before the application process begins. Because if you just apply it directly, it's not going to be as visible and as realistic as we need it to be. So I'm just drawing basically random lines, random sketches of how I would like the look to look. So once we're happy with that, I'm just quickly grabbing the Colodium. Some people call it Rigid Colodium, well, no difference. And this one is from Kryolan, and I'm basically starting to apply it on top of those sketches that we made. So please note that the more application you do on it, the deeper it actually looks and more realistic. It's like a 3D dimension. So I did this about 3-4 times for it to actually come out a bit more deeper, which you'll see a bit later on. So this is after, I think, 3 applications. As you can see, it's starting to look a little bit more deeper and more 3D-ish like. So I guess I'm gonna apply one last time before I proceed. So keep watching. I'm satisfied with the depth of it, I'm just quickly grabbing the Matchmaster Foundation. I'm just going over the scars with it just to help eliminate the shine. So just, you know, you just see how it brings the whole look together and makes it look a little bit more realistic without the shine. applying the foundation, I'm quickly grabbing the Kryolan Translucent powder, and this one is a TL3, and basically I'm just applying it to set that foundation and also to help reduce the shine. As you can see, there's still a little bit of it, so just going over it very lightly. So now I'm basically just gonna grab my chapstick, sort of like to help my lips to stop looking so dry. And yeah, I guess that's about it, you guys. I certainly hope that you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share. Until next time, bye bye.